Blank walls are for quitters. Twinkly squares will pimp your room, pixel by pixel. Yes, even GIFs. Staring at the same dull walls every day? Stuck in a creative rut or gamer's block? Whether you're streaming, working, or vibing in a cave of beige boredom, you know something's missing, but can't quite pixelate the problem. You want ambience, but not those weak, flickering LEDs that make your space look like a gas station bathroom. You're craving a vibe shift, a command center that feels like you. But DIY lighting setups are a mess, syncing systems suck, and everything out there is either overpriced or just meh. Welcome to the battle between basic walls and your inner pixel god. You try to elevate your space, but instead end up rage-tangled in cords and app crashes. Lights don't match, animations glitch, and your creative flow gets crushed harder than a console drop mid-boss fight. Your aesthetic ends up looking like a kid's birthday party gone wrong, blinking, chaotic, and deeply depressing. Deadlines pass, content stalls, and your motivation drowns in that dim yellow glare. You know you're capable of epic things, but your environment is actively sabotaging your vibe. It's like trying to stream from a dentist's office. Dull. Lifeless. Sad. You didn't sign up for this grayscale existence. Say hello to your new vibe overlord, the Twinkly Square Starter Kit, a 64-pixel, 16 million color LED masterpiece that turns boring walls into immersive art, ambient lighting, or hypnotic gaming heaven. With one master tile and 5 extension tiles, Twinkly transforms your living space into a smart canvas where GIFs, pixel art, and real-time animations come to life. Controlled via the Twinkly app, integrated with Razer Chroma, Alexa, Google Assistant, and more, this system is the future of mood crafting. Whether you're flexing in your Twitch stream or just vibing to lo-fi in bed, your wall becomes your co-creator. Setup? Dumb easy. Vibes? Instantly elite. Upload your own art, sync with gameplay, or just pick from preset animations that look like a digital dream. Each tile connects seamlessly with others, creating a scalable lightscape that reacts to your every command. Control it from your phone, yell at Alexa to dim it, or sit back and let the built-in timers set the mood. From gaming dens to cozy corners, your personal light show awaits. Whether it's chill mode, hype mode, or look at my wall, peasants mode, Twinkly delivers without blinking. Literally. This isn't lighting, it's a full-blown lifestyle enhancement. Stop waiting for your walls to develop a personality on their own. Click Add to Cart and give them a glowing, animated, customizable one that makes people say WTF is that and why don't I have it? Be the streamer with the sick setup. Be the Zoom call hero. Be the person who actually did something about their boring room. Whether you're decking out your studio, bedroom, or gaming lair, Twinkly squares are your pixel-powered glow-up. Time to level up your space, your mood, and your entire reality. Buy now before your walls die of boredom.